Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. I am so excited for today's video. I've taken some of your suggestions and tried to put it in this format of video called a monthly recap. Now what you can find in today's video are going to be things like craft tools and supplies that I purchased this month and tried out. I'll let you know whether I liked them, whether I didn't like them. I'll also give you updates on any tools or supplies that maybe I bought and I was loving it then, but not loving it so much right now. I'll put in any bloopers along with DIYs that I didn't film for a video, but they're bonus DIYs that you'll see that I just kind of made for someone else or maybe just for my personal self. So just kind of all the things that happened in January, maybe some things for the home, all the good stuff. So definitely let me know down in the comments whether or not you like this type of video. Thanks to June's Journey for sponsoring today. Now let's get into this first category, which is going to be what craft related stuff did I try out this month? I'm going to let you know. All right, so this first thing, I've actually purchased it in December. I used it one time, but have been using it a lot in January. Now, you guys know that on my work surface, I have that silicone mat. I absolutely love it. I talk about it all the time. It's a must-have, in my opinion, for your work surface. But I happened to find this silicone mat, okay, on Amazon, and anything that I talk about today or what have you, I will definitely link down below in the description box. But what I like about this one is it has the individual little places to put paint, and it has this little pop-up, here we go, water cup with a place to put your brushes. So this definitely is something I'm really loving now. Normally I just squirt my paint directly onto my silicone mat when I'm working with paint, but when you start to get a lot of colors, it's a lot more cleanup and it gets a little, I don't know, chaotic, I should say. So this is nice because you can have this area here, or you can mix colors easier and just keep it all contained to this one area. So I'm definitely loving this. I still use my other mat, but when I'm working with a lot of colors, you're definitely gonna be seeing me pull this out. They have it in all kinds of colors, pink, blue, green, I think. But yeah, absolutely loving this silicone mat. Don't mind my paint stick, but what I want to talk about is this right here. So I've actually been using it for a while, as you can tell, because I wanted to make sure I really did like it, and I love it. It is called Scrubby Soap. I will put a picture up here for you so you can see it. But what it is it comes as a bar of soap. It's a moisturizing bar of soap, and it's got this little loofah in it. And y'all, this is the easiest way to get paint off. You don't even have to scrub that hard. It just comes right off. I did get this wet before I'm doing this, so I just didn't want to do that on the camera. Seriously, it just comes off. Like, absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a good way to clean your hands, I highly recommend this soap. It's definitely a staple in my craft room. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Let's jump into some DIYs now. Now this one is a gift idea. I created this free printable. I will have it linked down below in the description box. And I gave the next two DIYs you're about to see, I gave them as birthday gift ideas, but you could certainly adapt these to any holiday if you wanted to. Now, once you have your cards, you want to cut these out. I did print this out on cardstock. Now you could, if you wanted to, do this whole project on your Cricut if you have it, by doing the print to cut and then letting the Cricut cut it out. But I did want to give a non-Cricut version here. And so I just cut it, used my paper cutter, used my curved blade scissors to kind of hit those rounded edges. For the money holders, I got these in a huge pack from Amazon. I will definitely have them linked down below. Pick your bill, roll it up, and stick it on there. It's very sticky and works really well. I just think this is a great alternative to always doing cards. It's just something a little different. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. Now this next little gift idea is so fun, and again can be used for any season. You want to pick up one of these little gift boxes. Dollar Tree is the best place to pick these up, and that is where I grabbed this one. You want to start by grabbing your hobby knife or utility knife and cutting on all the corners so that the four sides kind of flap open and make this nice T. Once you've done that, it's up to you. You can go in on these sides. If you want to clean them up, leave them as is. You could add photos, you could add little notes, you could add scrapbook paper, totally up to you if you want to customize it even more. Then grab whatever favorite candies you want. Now you want to make sure that once you've laid out your candies and figured out kind of how you want it to look, that when you start to place these down, that you don't let the pieces hit the very bottom of the flaps on the base of the box, if that makes sense, kind of on the center, because otherwise the sides won't close up. So you're going to need some nice, strong, adhesive, double-sided tape, and you just want to put that down. I did use 3 strips on each section. And you want to go ahead and put down some type of flat candy bar here, but you could do anything really. Hershey Kisses, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, really anything you want. Now, here's where it gets a little fun. Once you've gotten all that, you want to grab the box up, hold it. You probably can do this much easier with a second person. I found out after several failed attempts trying to do it by myself. And you want to fill it all the way to the top. Once it's filled, you're going to slide that lid on it and then be very careful when you move it, because if you pick it up by the lid, the box is going to explode open. And it's just so fun. This is what happens when they open the box. One of my favorite things is playing games, and if you love that too, then let me take a minute to tell you about today's sponsor, June's Journey. June's Journey is a really fun hidden object game where the main character, June Parker, is trying to solve the murder of her sister. This game is very creatively done, and as you go through each scene looking for objects, you might just learn some 1920s vocabulary. Not only are you looking for these hidden objects, but you can also go through and build this whole beautiful scene by adding landscaping and architectural features. Another fun thing is you can actually gift some of these objects to other players in the game. I love that it is challenging, but it definitely provides me with a sense of relaxation at the end of a very busy day. If you would like to try out June's Journey, you can download it for free by clicking the link below in the description box. June's Journey is available on Android and iOS mobile devices, as well as on PC through Facebook Games. Now let's get into this monthly recap again. Moving into this, I know it's an awkward angle here, but I want to share a paint color with you that I found and I'm loving. So my son's currently getting a room redo right now, and he wanted some shade of green. So this is Cascade Green by Sherwin. It is the perfect calming green. It gives a pop of color, but not too much. In fact, when my son walked in and saw it after it had been painted, he was like, "Mom, this color is so soothing." So I definitely, if you're looking for a green shade, I would highly recommend checking this one out because we all are loving it. All right, wanted to give an update on the Blue Land cleaners. Absolutely love those. Been using them. Absolutely love it. The glass and mirror cleaner, so good. So good. So I did want to say that I am still using those and I am definitely loving them. While I'm in the laundry room and talking about cleaning, this one's a super quick, easy little recommendation. So we usually use the Unstoppables, but I happened one day to pick this up at Target. It's the Downy Light Ocean Mist is the scent. Everyone in my family absolutely loves it. I've only been able to find it at Target. Now, granted, I haven't gone to look at all, Walmart and all the different stores, but if you do use these little scent boosters, this scent Ocean Mist, y'all, is the best. And here we have my bedside table. But what I wanted to show you here is this home automation bulbs that I got Mr. Cheap for Christmas. So we've been using them all month. He wanted a clapper, but I was like, we're not doing the clapper. So they're compatible with Google Home, Alexa, Apple HomePod, all the things. But let me kind of show you a little bit of what they can do. Hey Siri, make mom's lamp blue. Hey Siri, make mom's lamp pink. Hey Siri, turn mom's lamp down 50%. Okay, so like it does all the things, and then we have it set, you can set up different scenarios. So like every weekday we have a wake up one where these very dim blue lights will come on with some nice peaceful music, all Snow White like. So totally, absolutely love these bulbs. Definitely worth it if you're looking for some type of home automated thing for your house. This has to do with meal planning. Y'all, I really do not like to meal plan. It's very time consuming, but I have found this app that you guys are going to love because it has a super cool feature. So it's called Malime. It's got a lime on it. And you can go through. It is free to download. They have tons of free recipes. That's how I started. I ended up loving it so much that I now pay for the paid version because it gives you extra recipes, but you can definitely do a lot with the free. So you can go through, all the things are broken into categories. I'm not going to go into all the features of the app because you can definitely check it out, but this is the best part of it. So once you start your meal plan, I'm just going to pick see where it says pro. Those are just recipes I'm going to pick some recipes randomly because I pay for it. Build plan. Here's my recipes. Build this meal plan. Then you go down to groceries. It's going to list all of the items you need for these recipes. You can go through and mark stuff off, you know, oh, I already have sweet potatoes. Oh, I already have carrots. Yay for me. And then there's a plus. You can go in and add things if you have a running list at home to add as well. Once you've put all of that on there, you go up here to the corner where it says shop online, and it will sync to all of these stores. It will go into that app and put it. So wherever you shop, it will go. So now I shop at H-E-B. I do curbside there. Here's the H-E-B app, and then you just go through and verify, yep, need it, yep, okay, and it adds it to the cart, and then you go pick it up. Seriously, a wonderful meal planning app, and the recipes are easy and really good. So if you're looking for something to make your life easier, definitely check out this app. And there you have it, my January monthly recap. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. I would love your feedback on that. February is going to be super exciting. The mystery box kicks off, and I'll be sharing a big announcement in about the mid-February range on something I've been working on for a while, and I can't wait to tell you about it. I just can't wait to tell you about it. If you do June's Journey, make sure you come find me so we can be friends and play online. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Here are some more videos about to pop up that you just might enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear.